Welcome to today's GED Maths Prep. So we are going to be solving several questions in geometry. So if this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you can get more videos from us. Now this question says a rectangular dining room has a floor area of 322 feet square. The length of the room is 23 feet. What is the perimeter? So you've been given the length and the other side is going to be x. So let's call it the width. So let's say, don't get bothered about the length and the width. So this is length times width, and that's the area, which is going to give you 322 feet square. So that means the length is going to be 23 times the width. This is going to be 322. So the width is going to be 322 divided by 23. So if we perform our long division, so into 322, 23 into 32 is going to give us 1. 23 times 1 is going to be 23. So we'll have 9 down and 2 left. So we'll bring down our 2. 23 into 92, I think we'll have 4. So that's going to be 4. And 23 times 4, it's going to be 92. And this is going to be, subtract this, it's going to give us 0. So now we know our width is going to be 14 feet. So now we know if here it's 14 feet, here it's still going to be 23 feet, and here it's going to be 14 feet. So perimeter is going to be, the perimeter will be the length plus width, and that's going to be 23 plus 23 plus 14 plus 14. So that's going to be 23 plus 23 is going to give us 46 plus 14 plus 14, and that's going to give us, that's 28. So this is going to give us a total of 74 feet. So the perimeter is going to be 74 feet, and my correct answer is going to be E. Okay, so there are other questions we are going to be solving. Now, question 10 here says, what is the perimeter of the figure? Now, whenever you're asked the perimeter, you are being asked to sum up all the sides. Sum up all the sides. So this is going to be 3x minus y plus 2x plus 3y plus x plus 2y plus 5x plus y. So for me to solve this, I'm going to add up all the x variables and I'll add up all the y variables. So here we have 3x plus 2x, that's going to give us 5x plus x, that's 6x plus 5x, that's going to be 11x. Then we'll sum up all the y variables, minus y plus 3y. Now, I'm owing somebody $1. I have $3 to pay. So when I pay, I'm going to have like $2 change left. So that's minus y plus 3y. So minus y plus 3y, it's going to give me plus 2y. Plus 2y plus 2y is going to give me 4y. And 4y plus y, it's going to give me 5y. So my final answer, it's 11x plus 5y. So this is the correct answer. Now the next question in this geometry class says, okay, the measure of the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:2:1. What's the measure of the largest angle of the triangle? Now, notice the sum of the angles. The measure of the angles are in the ratio of 3:2:1. Now, every triangle has a total sum of angles to be 180. So, 3:2:1. Now, that means the largest triangle for A, okay, so the biggest triangle, which is the 3, it's going to be, that's 3 over the total, which is 3 plus 2 plus 1, multiplied by trying to get the sum angles of a triangle. Like the sum angles of a triangle, it's 180. So in order to find the largest triangle, we need to multiply by 180. So this is going to be 3 over, we have 3 plus 2, that's 5 plus 1, that's 6 times 180. So this is 2. So 2 here, it's going to be 1. 2 in 180 is going to give us 90. So the largest angle, it's going to be 90 degrees. So our correct answer here, it's going to be E, and I'm going to circle this. So the next question says, if 1, that's angle 1, it's 36 degrees, so note here is going to be 36 degrees, and 2 is equal to angle 2, it's going to be 2 times angle 3. Then what's the third angle? Okay, so in order to look for this, now one thing I want you to know is the angle on a straight line. The angle on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. So you need to know that if you're preparing for this exam, the sum angles of a straight line is going to give us 180 degrees. So when we sum up this plus this, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, it's going to give us 180 degrees. So now angle 1 is going to be 36 plus, now angle 2, let's call it x. Now angle 3 is going to be 2 times angle 3, that's 2x, which is going to give us 180 degrees. So from here we can say 36 plus 3x is going to give us 180 degrees. Now collecting our like terms, 3x is going to be 180 plus 36 coming over is going to be minus 36. Now when you do this, 3x is going to give us 180 minus 36, it's going to give us 144. Therefore x is going to be 144 divided by 3. So 3 into 14, we're going to get 4. Remember, 3 into 24, we are going to get that's 8. So our final answer is 48 degrees. So from my option, the correct answer here is going to be B. So the final question we are going to be solving for the geometry class, it's slope. Now it says, what is the slope of the line passing through point A 5,4 and B 0,3? Now one thing you need to understand about slope, it's slope, your slope, or you attribute it as m, it's what change in the y-axis over what change in the x-axis, which is also the same thing as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now having established this fact, for me to get my slope, I need to draw my triangle. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is my triangle. So this is my, I'm going to call this point x1 and this is y1. And I'm going to call this x2 and this is my y2. M it's going to be, that's our y2 it's 4 minus our y1 is 3 and our x2 is 5, our x1 is 0. So this is going to give us 4 minus 3, it's going to be 1 over 5. So our m, which is our slope, is equal to 1 over 5. So that's our final answer, and the correct answer here is going to be B. Now, as easy as that, you can don't forget to drop a comment and don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you can get more videos as we release more. Stay tuned for more.